What is life fulfillment? A month ago, I was on a flight and I started a conversation with my fellow passenger. After initial introduction and whereabouts, we noticed that we are having the same interest in the self-development domain. During the discussion, I told her that I'm having a podcast on career transformation, productivity, and life fulfillment. And the first question she asked me was, what is life fulfillment? I stopped a bit and answered her question. However, later I realized that I'm not having a dedicated podcast episode on life fulfillment. It needs clarity to understand what is life fulfillment and how to find life fulfillment in our life on a daily basis. Hence, in this podcast, let's decode what is life fulfillment. Hello everyone, this is Rakesh, your coach, author, speaker, and career transformation expert. Welcome to my podcast, Let's Talk Clarity.
Let's Talk Clarity,
in which we discuss about career transformation, productivity, and life fulfillment. Let's start the episode and talk clarity. Thank you everyone. It's time to celebrate Let's Talk Clarity is reaching 50 episode next week. This milestone episode will have my mentor with me for discussing success, meditation, and how to maneuver in this work-life balance. And I'm truly thankful to everyone who has supported me in this journey and listened to my podcast every week. Thank you for listening. Let's Talk Clarity. I hope the podcast is bringing a lot of clarity to your life. Let's come back to our life fulfillment. While recording this podcast, I am fulfilled. When I listen to my kids mindfully, I feel fulfilled. When I am in the moment, I feel fulfilled. When I do what I promised, I feel fulfilled. This is the quest for happiness and fulfillment, and which is going on from many years. Let's understand when we feel fulfilled. We feel fulfilled when we are aligned with our values. We feel fulfilled when our goals and actions are aligned. We feel fulfilled when our values and principles are aligned. We feel fulfilled when a failure or setback motivates us and not demotivates us. We feel fulfilled when we are having a clear purpose in life, when we are having a meaning to life. And this is one definition which I read in Center of Emotional Education by Matthew Gibson, which states like that: fulfillment in life is the experience of having your unique talents and skills to meaningfully work towards a goal that you believe is the vital importance to the world. Amazingly written. Let's come back to what is the dictionary meaning of fulfillment. It is the achievement of something desired, promised, or predicted. One more dictionary meaning: satisfaction or happiness as a result of fully developing one's potential. Yes, that's the meaning of life fulfillment. However, the question comes, how to get life fulfillment? So, we have developed 3 frameworks for life fulfillment. Not one, not two, 3 frameworks for life fulfillment. Let's begin with the first one. There is a famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. This is the same as life fulfillment. When all 3 are in same alignment, you feel fulfilled. What are these 3? What you think, what you say, and what you do. Which means your purpose of life should be clear and you should be working towards it. And that will give you life fulfillment. Second framework, This I have taken from the inspiring talk by Bijay Gautam, and that episode I really liked it, which is with Ron Malhotra. So this framework is taken from that episode, which says that for life fulfillment, you should answer these three questions. First, who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? Second, what is this world? Or how this world works? Third question, what is my role in this world? Answer to these questions will give you fulfillment. Who am I? What are my strengths and weaknesses? What are my values and principles? What is my purpose and meaning of life? What are my non-negotiable rules? Next question is, how does this world works? Means, what is purpose of this world? What are these peoples, everyone doing in this world? What is this race? Where we are heading? Are we contributing to this world, or mostly we are taking out from this world? That's why we have to answer, what is this world? And the third is, what is my role in this whole world? Whether I'm contributing to this world. Answering these questions will give you answers to what is life fulfillment. Here comes the third framework, and which is gratitude and service attitude. Are you feeling grateful for this life? And are you doing something back to the society? We have to answer these questions. Or we can put it in some other way. Are you doing some service for the world? Are you contributing to the energy of this world, or taking away positive energy from the world? We should always have gratitude and service attitude, feeling grateful in everything we have, and then giving back the positive energy to the world. Are you entering in your office and contributing positive energy, or sucking the positive energy from your office? We all know we cannot do it for 100% of the time. Yes, we cannot contribute to the positive energy of the world 100% of the time. However, we should aim for more than 50% of the time. Means, most of the time, we should contribute to the positive energy of the world. Why? To feel fulfilled. If we contribute to the positive energy of the world, we feel fulfilled. That's life fulfillment. So let me repeat the three frameworks again. The first one, align what you think, what you say, and what you do. Second, answer these. Who am I? What is this world? And what is my role in this world? Third one, gratitude and service attitude by contributing to the positive energy of the world. This is clarity of fulfillment and three frameworks to attain the life fulfillment. Please feel free to reach out to me if you are having any doubt or want any clarity on life, career, relationship, and fulfillment. Next episode is the milestone 50th episode. From the next episode, we are having new artwork and a new design and some amazing guests for the interview. Seek clarity, have clarity, listen clarity, and let's talk clarity. Thank you for listening to Let's Talk Clarity with Rakesh. Please subscribe or follow this podcast on your preferred platform so that you don't miss any important episodes. Have clarity, listen clarity, and let's talk clarity. Let's talk clarity.